How do you deal with a gaslighting and narcissistic husband if you're not wanting to throw away the marriage, but you're not wanting to lose your mind? We're going to investigate that in this video. Hey, I want to give you some straight talk about being married to a man that gaslights, lies, manipulates, probably is addicted to multiple gross things, and probably is lying to you about it. I want to give you some straight talk. I want to set you free through this conversation in this video. Hey, I'm Dr. Don, and with Damaris, we offer a variety of services for women that are desperate. They're desperate because they've tried all the things that the books say you need to do, the podcasts say you need to do, other YouTube videos say you need to do. You've done all those things and you are back to where you started. No progress, no change in the relationship. The only changes are negative changes, downward changes for you. You're exhausted, your sleep is disturbed, your physical symptoms are starting to show up, and your life is in disarray because you've tried everything you can try to change the relationship, to improve the relationship. If that's you, you're in the right place in this video. We work with women that have been working to save their marriage without their husband's help or cooperation, right? We work with women that have tried to drag their husband by the ear to couples counseling, to the marriage retreat, maybe to the pastor, priest, or church leader, and to no avail. What's the problem? The problem is not you. I want to be really clear. It's not your fault, even though he tries to get you to believe that it's your fault. It's not your fault. The thing is that those strategies and tools and those pieces of advice from those channels, right? YouTube, podcasts, books, etc., couples counselors, those pieces of advice, they work for conventional, normal marriage problems. But your marriage problem is not a normal marriage problem, right? It's a chronic, toxic, dysfunctional disaster. And that's why the conventional advice doesn't work, because the conventional advice is for conventional problems and you don't have a conventional problem. So myself, Dr. Don, Damaris, what we do is we have a membership group that you can join, and you can get together with us, experts in this area, plus other women that are struggling the same way. And we deliver live coaching twice a month, and that coaching is absolutely helpful and beneficial to set a new course for you, different strategies that I promise you've never heard. So we offer a membership, a very exclusive membership group for women that really want to change things. We offer a webinar that walks you through the pathway. And of course, we also offer very exclusive, very customized coaching, again, for women that are ready to change, women that are action takers. So if that's you, check out the links below, reach out to us, and let's get going. Let's turn this around. It's absolutely possible. We're working right now with women that are turning it around. They're feeling better than ever, and they're noticing that their marriage is changing, even without their husband's participation, cooperation, or even awareness. So check out the links below. We want to help you. We want to serve you and get your marriage on higher ground.